What's going on, everybody? Today we are going to be doing a keep or sweep on my sneaker collection, all right?
I'm excited, Rich. I see you do this video with other people. This is the first time I get to be a part of it.
I had to bring you because you bring this, like unbiased opinion and whatnot. So, we're going to be going over 5 rounds and we are going to be determining if I should keep one sneaker or sweep the sneaker, aka sell it, all right? But I need your unbiased opinion, all right?
You know I'm going to give you that,
You know me, man. It's hard to sell some sneakers, so.
Hey, I'll help you let them go.
I'll never let go. I promise.
All right, so 5 rounds. Let's bring up round 1.
What are we working with?
Woo! So we got the yellow Air Fear of Gods, and we got the original bone Air Fear of Gods right here.
Richie, let me talk about this sunshine yellow on this, okay? Why are these even in conversation? We were talking about how unique this yellow was.
I don't think I could ever see myself wearing those again, man.
But you like to
I know
abstract the Picasso, right?
Let me tell you something though. I bought them for $750. They're like $2K right now. What? So that would be a come up.
You gotta strike when it's hot, is what you're saying.
That's what I'm saying. And it's just, the yellow is nice, but we live in Seattle.
You need a little sunshine.
Nah, I'm trying to match the vibes, man. Okay.
I'm trying to be the sunshine.
I can see you're saying balance it out, and I'm saying kind of just wear the more lumberjack style.
Everybody got little gray tones, and we got gray clouds.
You're saying
what you need this for?
Bones?
I mean, these are originals. I get it. I love the colorway too, and I know how you love the more neutral earth tone colorways.
This color right here embodies the whole release of the Nike Air Fear of Gods. This one in the original black.
That's very true.
You know, on Hype Talk, we always say, man, I'm trying to steer away from the hype a little bit. These are all hype. Come on, Johnny. I'm gonna hear your opinion first, and then I gotta make my final decision on which one I will keep and which one I will sweep. But one's gotta go. You can't keep both.
All right, Rich. Just thinking about it and looking at the shoes and just hearing your points for yourself as well too. I hate to say it, we gotta sweep these.
My friend. Exactly, right?
Hey, money talks.
Money talks.
Money talks.
Hey, like I said I'm a businessman first before a collector, all right? So yeah, the yellow Air Fear of Gods right here will be for sale, size 8.5. I wore these one time, all right?
When are you guys gonna get lucky? These are good condition.
I feel you almost had me though. You almost had me. I'm not asking anywhere near 2,000 though. But yeah, these will be for sale.
Reasonable guy, huh?
Reasonable. But yeah, glad these are staying. All right, so round 2, man. We got 2 pairs of Jordan 1s, all right? We got the Laker SBs right here.
What are we comparing these ones to?
And we got the Travis Scott 1s.
There's a little bit of toughie, man.
It's a tough one.
Yeah, I know you got a love-hate relationship with the Travis Scott 1s.
I have the craziest love-hate relationship with Travis Scott 1s. One day I love them, one day I'm throwing them off the shelf.
These reminds me of just Shanghai overall, man.
Oh, so these were the so I bought these from Olivia at SneakerCon Shanghai. So they do have a little bit of sentimental
you hit her
value.
with your charm.
The charm, you know what I mean? We negotiated this one.
1,600 to 7,000. You look nice. 7,000.
And then these right here, these are unique. These are
very,
unique.
very unique shoes. You got these as a gift.
I got these as a gift, so I didn't pay for them, but they do go for around I think $650.
And this is one where you could just dress it yourself with a different colorway once you scratch it a little bit.
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey, like we said earlier, man, that's a $650 come up.
So you constantly bringing the value.
Come on, man.
I'm
a business man first.
Man, but these have history too, and this is a unique shoe, especially with the whole SB wave going on. The fact that you get a cool Jordan 1 with the SB collab is hot right now.
Yeah.
But Travis Scott is Travis Scott.
These, like I said, I think we kind of already, made up our mind with these. I'm sweeping these, man. I was never big on the whole SB Jordan 1 thing. I like the original, Lance Mountain ones. The white.
Yeah, those are hot.
Those are fire.
Those are fire.
But these are kind of weird. It's I never imagined a Laker colorway turning red.
And not only that, the red lining kind of throws it off for me as well too.
A little bit.
I'm gonna have to say, sweep these.
Sweep these. Sweep. And you gotta look at the yellow, not even yellow.
Bruh. It's like a weird.
You can't call these Laker. Yeah, you can't call these Laker colorways. All right, so I'm gonna be sweeping the SB Jordan 1s right here.
That was easy.
It was easy one.
It was easier than I thought.
Then we're gonna call these Olivias.
The Olivias. They ain't the Travis Scott.
Olivias are stained.
I like this, man. A little spring cleaning,
Yes,
man.
sir. All right, so third round right here. We got the Stussy Spiridons right here.
The Runners edition, huh?
Sakai's. Let me know your thoughts.
Man, so The value on these guys, I know, is probably a little crazy right now.
I think those are like 600.
And not only that, these actually jumped up in price.
These jumped up in price. I bought these for only like $210.
But the thing about this shoe is that they have general release colorways.
That is true.
That's actually hotter
the
than
general
actual
release ones.
collabs.
Not hotter.
I would say it's hot. I saw Tan wearing his silver bullet ones. And
Those
if you
were fire.
If you
Those
throw a little Stussy on that, I bet you they'll resell even more.
They are just way easier to rock. These almost have this like liquefied, I don't even know what, patent leather.
Like metal liquid is what
it
you
looks
said.
hard
Wow.
to wear. This
It's very
stands
loud.
out crazy.
It's
yeah.
very loud. And with these ones, man, it's way more subtle. We talked about
It's subtle hype. Subtle hype.
Subtle hype. Also, Rich, you know I'm big on shoes lasting the test of time.
That is true. That is true.
Although this has an older look to it, I don't think it's gonna be a classic.
Not a classic.
Even though this is a newer type of concept, this is gonna
Not
be
a classic. I feel like Tan right now, man.
Yeah, classic.
Not a classic.
It's a classic.
These are, I think these changed the game. Obviously, like when this silhouette, just, these are crazy.
As much as I don't like the shoe itself, that's a very good
You gotta
point.
respect it.
You gotta respect it for what it is.
The Stussy Spirit-Ons, man, I could see these just dropping down in price again.
You know, it's like
So
it's
he
one of
might
those
as
things
well
where
capitalize right now.
The stock went high, but it's gonna drop real fast.
That's what I'm thinking, man. All right, so yeah, for round 3, I'm thinking we sell the Spirit-Ons.
Strike
Keep
while it's
the
hot,
Sakai.
Rich. Strike while it's hot.
Strike while it's hot. All right, these will be for sale. All right, so round 4, man, I think this is a classic debate. Anybody that is considering these sneakers right here has asked themselves, the blue ones or the black ones?
Well, throw them on me.
This right here is a classic debate. The blue unions or the black unions.
One of the biggest shoes, Rich, that grew onto me. I did
Crazy.
not like
You
these
didn't like these.
whatsoever when they came out, but both colorways are so respectable in their own right.
So many like elements to them that just, it's gonna be hard. All right, so the black ones, man, one thing that really stands out to me is this unique blue stitching right here with the white uppers. That is one of the most unique combinations of colors I've seen on
Also
a Jordan 1.
placement. You don't see just the blue stitching
That's
like
what
that.
I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. One thing though, one thing I gotta bring up on the blue pair, the main part of the lace is sail, which is fire. You always see black laces.
Yes, the opposite
You do
of that,
not,
right?
you know what I'm saying?
That's
kind of crazy, right?
That whole reason of the shoe, right? Okay, the black, white, and red. You see that combination all the time.
With Jordans,
With
especially,
Jordans,
yes.
especially, right? But when you see the royal blue and then you see the red, you never see it work, right? They did try to do the UNC and the ones and everything. The
blue toes,
it just doesn't work. But when you see these, for some reason, it just works. Even with the splash of yellow stitching, it just
crazy.
works.
It is crazy. Like, I think you brought up a really good point. Something about blue Jordan 1s.
Yes.
Don't usually work out.
Yes.
But they just went off on this. Bringing it back to this pair though, one thing I like about this is the tongue part has this like yellowness to the
It's like a vintage feel to it.
and if you look on the blue pair, it is black. So
I
there's
didn't
like
even realize
little
it.
differences on both pairs that obviously really stand out.
And that's what makes the shoe so hard when I see why people are always debating what colorway. It's not just the colorway, it's the details.
It's the details.
It's the
but
details.
I would have to go and say though, there's like, bread toes, black toes.
Yep.
They all look like this. Breads even.
We always talk about the color blocking.
I gotta keep these. I
You
gotta
don't
keep the blue
see
pair.
A blue one.
Nah.
That's this unique.
This fire. All right, so the black pair will be for sale. These are a little big too. They're size 9. I'm looking for
Think
8
they
and a
got
half.
it. That made it easier.
There you go. All right, these will be for sale. Let us know down in the comments below. Do you guys like the blue pair of unions or the black pair? I'm curious to hear. All right, so last but not least on the spring cleaning video.
Lay
This
it
felt
on
good
me.
though. This felt good.
You clean
Had
it
to
out.
clean up.
Clean out the closet.
We got a little bit of an old school basketball battle.
Speaking my language, Rich.
The USA Vince Carter Shocks BB Force right
Recently
here.
re-released again?
Iconic.
Wow.
Iconic. We also got one of my favorite sneakers, the Royal OG Foam Posits right here.
I have to say, other than the Timberland, this is the next iconic New York shoe.
This is classic right here.
If
Not
you're
a lot of people on the
you
West
know.
Coast like these.
No, if you're a New Yorker, you know.
DC, Maryland, Virginia loves these. Wale, like, come on.
They
These
got
are
that boot vibe.
the boot vibe, yeah. They keep you warm. That's what it is.
They
You know
really
what I
do,
mean?
man. My feet sweat when I wear these.
So, what do you think of them?
Man, so we going back to being timeless or not timeless. Although this is an iconic shoe. These are already going on sale, my friend. You got these on sale probably. These are already going on sale. They don't know enough about these. But
It's
these,
almost like people like just threw them to the side.
they're like, what are these?
What are those?
What
these
are
still
these?
get respect.
You know what
Little
these
bit,
are.
little bit.
No, a little bit.
Little
but,
bit, little
but
bit.
but the chance of resurgence on these
For sure.
is a lot higher.
Like these, you could actually rock with some. You only can hoop in these.
Yeah, that was such a good
You
point
just
right there.
can only hoop in.
What
those.
you gonna wear these with outside of the court?
You look like you're about to go try to dunk on someone. You know.
You have to try to
They're
dunk on some
fire
of
though,
these.
man. You know, with Vince Carter dunking on the dude, and I had to get him for nostalgia purposes.
Man,
but we're
these-
not doing nostalgia.
These weren't Vince's real shoe though. So
That is true.
that being said, these are Penny's real shoes.
Oh, these are a signature sneaker.
Exactly.
All right, so we are going with the pennies, keeping these, the Shox BB4s.
Easy.
Olympics will be for sale, but yeah, we got to keep these. All right, guys, thank you for checking out that keep or sweep on the collection right
That was
now.
a hell of a spring cleaning you just did.
You had to, you know what I mean? It's more not even for like, you know, room purposes. The mental,
Oh, you got a clear physical space. You got clear head
For
space.
sure, for sure. All right, guys. Let me know if you guys disagree on what I should have kept or what I should have swept. Shout out to Johnny for being in this video right
Thank
here.
you for having
Make sure
me.
you guys check out his heavyweights line on his Instagram. That's pretty much it, though. Leave a comment down below. Make sure you guys are sub, like the video. And until next time, we out.
Peace.